CBT can help people change their thoughts and behaviors to feel better. Here's how to guide someone through CBT, step by step, using practical examples and simple language. Step 1. Understanding and setting goals. Number 1. Meet and talk. Get to know each other. Hi, I'm here to help you feel better. Can you tell me a bit about what's been bothering you? Share your story. Let's talk about when you started feeling this way and what might have caused it. Number 2. Set goals together. Decide on goals. What would you like to achieve by coming here? Maybe feeling less anxious or sleeping better. Make it clear. Let's write down some clear goals like, I want to feel less anxious in social situations, or I want to have better sleep. Step 2. Learning about CBT. Number 1. Explain CBT. What is CBT? CBT helps you change how you think and act to feel better. It's like training your brain to think in a healthier way. Number 2. Why it works. Mind and body connection. Our thoughts affect how we feel and act. By changing our thoughts, we can change our feelings and actions. Step 3. Changing negative thoughts. Number 1. Spot negative thoughts. Notice your thoughts. Next time you feel really sad or anxious, write down what you were thinking just before that. Number 2. Challenge those thoughts. Ask questions. If you think, I'm always messing up, ask yourself, is that really true? Can I think of times when I did well? Find proof. Look for evidence. Is there proof that you're always messing up, or can you find examples where you succeeded? Number 3. Think positively. Balance your thoughts. Instead of thinking, I'll never get this right, try thinking, I can improve with practice. Step 4. Doing enjoyable activities. Number 1. Find fun things to do. List your likes. What are some things you enjoy doing? Maybe drawing, walking, or listening to music. Add them to your day. Let's schedule these activities into your week to make sure you have some fun and relaxing time. Number 2. Make a plan. Set a schedule. Pick a time each day to do something you enjoy. It could be as simple as taking a 10-minute walk in the evening. Number 3. Track your mood. Keep a journal. Write down how you feel after doing these activities. Notice if your mood improves. Step 5. Facing your fears, also called exposure therapy. Number 1. List your fears. Make a fear ladder. Let's write down your fears from the least scary to the most scary. For example, starting a conversation with a stranger might be less scary than speaking in front of a big group. Number 2. Take small steps. Start small. Begin with something less scary. If talking to a stranger feels hard, start by just saying hi to a neighbor. Practice often. Keep practicing this step until it feels less scary. Then, move on to the next step on your list. Number 3. Stay calm. Use relaxation. When you face your fear, try to stay calm. Take deep breaths and remind yourself that you're safe. Step 6. Solving problems. Number 1. Identify problems. Pick a problem. Choose one problem to work on, like feeling overwhelmed by homework. Number 2. Brainstorm solutions. Think of ideas. Let's think of different ways to tackle this problem. Maybe setting a specific time for homework each day or asking for help from a teacher. Number 3. Choose and try a solution. Pick the best idea. Choose the idea that seems most helpful and try it out. We'll see how it works and make changes if needed. Step 7. Preventing setbacks. Number 1. Know your triggers. Spot triggers. Let's figure out what things make you feel worse, like lack of sleep or too much stress. Number 2. Plan ahead. Make a plan. Think about how to handle these triggers. Maybe you can have a plan for relaxing before bed to help with sleep. Number 3. Stay on track. Regular check-ins. Let's have regular check-ins to see how you're doing and adjust the plan if needed. Step 8. Reviewing progress and saying goodbye. Number 1. Look back. Review your journey. Let's talk about all the progress you've made. What are some big changes you've noticed? Number 2. Plan for the future. Keep improving. Think about how you can continue using these skills in the future. What will you do if you start feeling bad again? Number 3. Gradually end sessions. Less frequent meetings. We'll start meeting less often, but I'm here if you need support. You've done amazing work. Tools and techniques that you need to use are thought diary. Write down your negative thoughts and find evidence against them. Activity log. Keep track of the activities you do and how they make you feel. Relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing or mindfulness to stay calm. Homework. Practice these skills at home, and we'll talk about it in our next session. In a nutshell, guided CBT helps you change how you think and act to feel better. By taking small, practical steps, you can learn to manage your thoughts and emotions, leading to a happier and healthier life. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.